Hi, my name is Elsha Samuel and I am Sinapalan. The holder of metric number is 01TEE23F2024. Okay, now I am going to explain the formula of trigonometry. The following shows the trigonometry formula. Before we start, we have to know which one is hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. The hypotenuse is the longest line in a triangle. Opposite is an opposite line while adjacent is an adjacent line. After that, we will use the so, ka, tua. So is equals to sin theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Ka means cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tua means tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, now we are going to second formula. For the formula for quadrant, sign of trigonometric function in quadrants is reversed to four, namely quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, all positive means sin, cos, tan is all positive. In the second quadrant, sin only positive, which means cos and tan is negative. In the third quadrant, only tan positive, which means cos and sin is negative. In the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive, which means sin and tan is negative. Okay, now we are going to see the third formula. Sine rule. Sine rule is a relationship between the sides of an angle in a triangle and the opposite side. The third formula in this trigonometric topic is sine rule, which is A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine C. When we want to use the sine rule, when given two angles and one length in one, the length of the side in a triangle that is not right angle, or given two side lengths and one angle is in a triangle that is not right angle. Okay, this is the formula for sine rule. Okay, now we are going to the fourth formula. Okay, the fourth formula is cosine rule is a formula which can be used to calculate a missing side or missing angle in a triangle. Cosine rules is used to find the angle and also the length of the side. However, there are only two rules. Only where cosine rules can be used. Now we see the first case. It's an only two sides and also one given angle. For this case, the question will usually give a long search. How do we remember this formula? It's easy. To put what we put in front of it. For example, I want to put A. So I put A in front, which is A square equals to B square plus C square. A square, which is the same as adding the given length, which is the length of B square, adding the length of C square. Subtracting 2 times the length B multiply length C cos of angle A. This second case is only 3 sides. How do we want to remember the same formula as the case to find the length earlier, which is the case with the cosine rule? We put in front cos A equal to length b square and to length c square minus length a square divide by 2 length 2 times length b times length c. These are some tips on how to remember the formula. This is the cosine rule formula. Thank you. Stop sharing.
So hi everyone, my name is Wong Jin Yang and my matrix number is 01DEE 22F2004. So now I would like to present some example questions for you all. We see that an airplane is at an elevation of 80 kilo feet when it begins descending to the airport. The angle of descent is 4 degrees. That means that here is 4 degrees. So that same method, we have to draw a diagram. Degree. So this is the hypotenuse, and we know that the 80 kilo feet is our adjacent, and this is our opposite. So this is the airplane. So now we can calculate the angle of theta. So theta equal to, as we know that triangle is 180 degrees. So we have to minus 90 degree and 4 degree. So it is equal to 86 degree. Yeah. So now we have theta and we have to find the formula got opposite and adjacent, which is tangent theta equal to opposite over adjacent. Now we got adjacent, which is 80 kilo. So tangent 86 degree equal to opposite over 80 kilo. So we know that opposite equal to tangent 86 degree times 18 kilo. So opposite equal to, so we press calculator. So we get 257,411.99 feet, which is 257.99 feet. So we get the answers. that's all for my presentation. It's all of the questions. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin Muhammad Daud. Metric number is 01DEE23F2013. I will present to you a conclusion. Trigonometric ratio, if one angle of a triangle is 90 degrees and one of the other angle is known, the third is degree fixed because the three angles of any triangle add up to 180 degrees. The two acute angles therefore add up to 90 degrees. They are complementary angles. The shape of a triangle is completely determined, except for similarity by the angle. Okay, thank you.